This is going to be the first episode of this course. And by the end of this course, if you guys study, if you guys retain this knowledge that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, you will be able to do technical analysis. You will be able to have an edge on the vast majority of people in crypto who do not know how to do technical analysis. And I'm just going to be going over the rules and the guidelines, okay? We need to go over a set of rules. The first guideline we're going to go over, you need to be able to know how much you're willing to lose. How much are you going to invest in? And you do not want to invest enough money to where it's going to ruin your life. We want to have some money left over if you guys have payments or if you guys need a certain amount of money left over. So that's the first rule. You guys really need to make sure that you're investing enough money to where if you lose it or you lose the majority of it, you will still have money left over. So we're going to be talking about technical analysis trading altcoins or crypto. Anything that's not crypto is an altcoin. And we will be showing how to trade Bitcoin as well, but mainly altcoins. And you guys have to be practicing this. And what I mean by practicing is trying it without any funds. Before you guys really start to risk your own money, you might as well try it practicing until you become successful. And you guys are not going to survive or make profitable money if you guys do not have experience or practice. That's why so many people end up being not profitable. And that's why you guys can use these websites, 10 best Bitcoin demo accounts to practice trading, on this to really give it a try. These are the two most important things to keep you profitable when trading. The first one is stop loss. What is stop loss? Okay, well, it might sound complicated, but really all you're doing is you're setting a number where if it falls below that, if your investment, let's say it's at $10 and you buy it at $10, right? And it falls down to $8, you have a stop loss where it's just going to sell that investment off and you're going to have around $8 left over from that. And what this does is the second thing, it helps risk management. And if you guys do not have that stop loss on, what can happen is it can keep on falling lower and lower and lower, and you can keep on losing more and more money. And if you have that stop loss activated, you don't need to worry about if it plunges below that. So what that does is it gives you a safety net, and it will help you be more profitable long term. There is no such thing as a good crypto or a bad crypto when you guys are going to be investing, okay? We are going to take emotions completely out of this. And what we're going to be using is technical analysis. How does the graphs look? How do the charts look? And your aim is to make as much profit as you can. And when I say this, I mean, yes, you guys can like this crypto more, or you could like it less, but that does not matter. It's all about how much money can you make from this crypto. You have to take your emotions out of play. We're only going to be trading using the charts. We're not going to be using any emotional attachments. So if you see a chart that starts to look a little bit bearish, you see it approaching your stop loss, you better keep your stop loss where it is. You're not going to pray for it to go up. You're not going to pray for the technical analysis to show that it's going to go up. We're not going to be doing that, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to let it hit our stop loss or even sell early if you guys see some bearish signs that are pointing to that direction. You guys are going to cut your losses small. If you can cut your losses small, you're going to be a lot more successful than 90% of these traders who do not follow this exact protocol. You guys have to be strict. We will always have a plan when investing. You guys never are going to throw your money into something and just pray and hope. That is the last thing you want to do. We're going to go over everything you need to do before you invest. First of all, you need to make an entry point. When are you going to buy? And what is the technical analysis looking like that's making you want to buy? And you guys are going to set a buy order, meaning that when it hits that number, when it hits that buy order, you're going to hit your buy order and it's going to go through. Your money's going to be invested then. You guys are going to have a stop loss, like I said, and you guys are going to have a take profit, which means when it hits this this certain price, it's going to automatically fill your order. You guys are not just going to invest and not have a plan. You need a plan. You need to understand that you guys can do this. I believe in you. I know you guys can do it. You guys don't need fancy tools. You guys don't need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on monitors. You guys don't need 6 monitors like I do. You guys really just need to focus. You guys need to learn. You guys need to put in your plan. You guys need to study, and you guys can do it. Really, all you need is some sort of guide. And I know you guys can be successful doing this. So you guys need a plan, right? Manage your portfolio size, predetermine entries, exit on invalidation, and cut losses. The more you practice, the more you learn, the harder you work, the more results you guys will get. I started taking notes when I first started, right? Five or 6 years ago, I was taking lots of notes, and I didn't have guides like this. And you guys have guides like this. I was just learning from my mistakes, and I'm going to share my mistakes through this series, share some things that you guys need to avoid. But all you guys have to do is learn, and learn. Really work hard, guys. And you guys can be successful in almost everything you can do, but especially trading. There's a lot of people that are doing trading, and they're not working hard. They're just using other people's trades. They're not looking at the technical analysis themselves. And I really want you guys to understand this is you guys can do it. I'm going to be linking this down in the description. It's a whole entire 180-page book that you guys can learn from. It's free on Twitter. What a blessing. You guys have to follow this guy on Twitter. He's a great person. And we're going to be showing you guys the Trading Bitcoin Masterclass. I'm going to be putting my own insight into this as well. But this is a very, very good beginner for these extreme beginners. So we're going to learn some terminology. And this is going to be Trading Bitcoin Masterclass. I'm going to show you guys altcoins more because altcoins are a lot easier to trade than Bitcoin. And learning Bitcoin, though, is going to give you good fundamentals and a good foundation. So what can I see in the charts? There are several websites. TradingView.com, simple and easy. We did talk about TradingView. You don't need the paid for version. I always use the free version. I do have a paid for version. Never use it on my streams or in my videos. There's no reason to, because I want to let you guys know, completely free. You can use it. You can do it. And we're going to learn some terminology, right? And you guys really, really need to know this. First of all, there's exchanges, right? We know exchanges that allow you guys to sell and buy these certain types of coins. He did list some exchanges that allow leverage trading. We're not going to be getting into that in this series, but you guys need to know what FOMO is. A lot of you guys FOMO. A lot of these apes are FOMOing. And what is ape FOMO? It's a fear of missing out, right? Fear of missing out on a trade. All beginners do it. They enter a trade without doing any research, and the fear of missing out profits. We see this happen a lot of times. This is how a lot of people miss out on gains. And you guys need to know what the total supply of coins is, okay? The amount limit of the coins that it will ever exist. The supply limit for Bitcoin is 21 million. So if they only have 19 million coins out, that means they still have 2 million left to release. And when they release those 2 million coins, the price is going to rise because they're inflating, okay? They're inflating the price, right? And bull is someone expecting the price to go higher, and bear is the opposite. And a bull market is a market where the price are seeing continuous uptrends. That's what we are in crypto right now. We're in a very, very nice bull market. And I'm making this video so hopefully I can get all these tutorials out before this bull market ends. And even if it doesn't, guys, at least you guys have tools to survive during the bear market. I will show you guys how to do that through this tutorial. So bull market is prices are going up. You guys can see here, look at the trends. Look at how we're hitting lower lows, meaning it's going high and then low and then high and then low. That's what a bear market looks like. In the bull market, it's going up, guys. We're in a bull market for the past 3 or 4 months. You can be in a bull market and still have bearish cycles, meaning there's dips in the market, right? Let's say if we look at this past 4 months in crypto, we've had a bull market, correct? But every single month of this year, we've had over a 20% dip. In fact, in January, we had a 31% dip, but then we had a 95% rise. And in every single month, we had a dip like that with a rise like that. And you could still have dips, especially in crypto. It's very volatile. You guys need to understand that. So we could still be in a bull market, but have these dips. And as you guys can see, this is it showing it. And I've gone through that quite a lot. But one other thing you guys need to understand is market cap. The market capitalization of an asset calculated by the current supply of tokens multiplied by CPM of one coin. Market cap is so important when investing. If you're going to have, let's say the market cap is $100,000 and you have a token supply that's already released. Every single token's out, and you invest into it at $100,000 and it goes up to $1 million. That means your money would go up by 10x. And that is a very important thing to understand. Not a lot of people understand market cap. And we're going to go into market cap in another video. I'm just going to try and get through this series as quick as possible. This is going to be the end of the episode. I have a lot more vocabulary coming out in the next one. So really make sure that you guys are taking notes and really understand everything I'm going through. If you guys do not, you guys can look it up online and get into a deeper dive just so you guys completely understand.